In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop limit order on Binance futures. If you're trading on Binance, understanding how to effectively set up a stop limit order is essential for managing risk and potentially maximizing your profits. We're here to break it down into clear and simple steps. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up the Binance platform and navigate over to the futures section. It's important to note that Binance offers a range of products, so make sure you're in the futures area specifically, since that's where we'll be placing our stop limit order. Once you're in the right place, you'll need to select the trading pair you're interested in. For instance, you might be looking at Bitcoin against USDT, often shown as BTC USDT. Selecting the correct trading pair ensures you're working with the right set of data and potential trades. Now look for the order types available and tap on the one labeled Stop Limit. This order type is pivotal for traders who want more control over their trades. Moving on to the details of your order, it's time to input three crucial pieces of information: the stop price, the limit price, and the amount. The stop price is the specific level at which you want your order to be placed in the order book. Meanwhile, the limit price is the worst price at which you are comfortable making that trade. Lastly, the amount refers to the quantity you want to buy or sell. After you've entered those details, you'll have two options: buy long and sell short. Tap buy long if you believe the market will go up and you want to go long, or choose sell short if you anticipate a decline and wish to short. It's important to understand what happens next. Your order will remain inactive until the stop price that you set is reached in the market. Once this price point is hit, your stop limit order becomes active and attempts to execute at your chosen limit price. This is a valuable tool because it helps you control the exact price you pay or receive, which can be particularly useful in volatile markets where prices can fluctuate dramatically in short periods. And that's how you set a stop limit order on Binance futures. By using this type of order, you can manage your trades more effectively while mitigating some of the risks associated with market volatility. Remember, practice and familiarity with these tools can greatly enhance your trading experience. Thanks for watching, and happy trading on Binance futures.